Welcome to the Cisco Certifications, CCNA, Bootcamp. In this program, you will learn the fundamentals of computer networking and Cisco technologies used in modern IT infrastructure. We will start with core concepts such as network fundamentals, IP addressing, and how networks communicate and operate. You will gain hands-on knowledge of Cisco device configuration, routing and switching, and network troubleshooting to understand how real-world networks are built and managed. This bootcamp also provides a pathway to advanced certifications, preparing you for CCNP and other Cisco specializations to grow further in the networking field. By the end of this course, you will have the practical knowledge and confidence to configure, manage, and troubleshoot Cisco-based networks in professional environments. Take the first step toward a successful networking career. Enroll now.